The thrills and spills of racing as the cars go whizzing around. And there's a crack-up. Dizzy thrills and deadly spills, and watch that skidding, whirling crash. The flaming scene of disaster. But say, what's this? A giant putting out the fire? No, it's just a case of the tiniest of midget cars. Miniature auto racing is one of the most mechanical forms of sport. Many addicts make their own toy cars, and they all have fun tinkering with them, putting them together and adjusting them. The spark plug is that tiny, but it works. Intricate mechanism as delicate as the working of a watch. And you put the gas in with an eyedropper. Start the motor, and there she goes. He tunes the engine as if it were 1,000 horsepower propelling a giant airplane. Ready for the contest. Pick up your racing cars and take them to the track. All set for the miniature test of speed. And away they go. The cars are from 12 to 16 inches in length and average 6 pounds in weight. Gas consumption, 1 ounce to a quarter of a mile. Speed record, more than 71 miles an hour. The American Miniature Racing Car Association says there are 75,000 fans, 90% adults. Throughout the country, there are 6 tracks like this one at Reading, Pennsylvania, with 12 or more under construction. And the fad began in California half a dozen years ago and has spread rapidly.